Shivaya, because I've been feeling so freaking anxious, and my job is being to put one foot in front of the other and stay present, because in the moment of now, what do we need? We don't need my van was there beautifully working, my dog's healthy, these surroundings are really perfect, and I hope people that live here appreciate where they are, where they live, what they have, and what is great to fight for. Yes, I was so tempted to drive from Stockton this morning, which is just across the water, virtually like a 1.5 kilometers distance. No ferries today. For the first time that I wanted to take the ferry,